Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Nia, with Exquisite Floral Design and Events. And today I'm back with another video on how to create a more textured floral funeral cross. So I already started. I forgot to turn my record on, and I had started already sticking in some flowers. So today we're going to be using some lavender cushioner mums, some purple cushion mums, some plum carnations, full-size carnations, and some lavender roses. So all I started doing was, again, in the description box, I will list the items that I am using. And this is just a cage cross, the most easiest thing to use when making any kind of floral arrangement for funerals. They are in the shape that you need, so all you have to do is just follow the follow the shapes, and you just stick your flowers in there. Now, the best flowers to use for funerals are ones that don't require a lot of care, which are carnations, and mums, which are just chrysanthemums. So those are like the best. And then I put roses in here because I wanted to have a little bit of a more textured look into this in this arrangement. So as you see, I also have some button mums, and all I'm doing again is just following the line of the arrangement. Okay, so now we're just gonna keep on going, and I kind of adjust to make it the right height and kind of round it, but we want that texture. So everything is not pushed all the way into the arrangement, but it's just adjusted to a certain height and just a certain height. So the roses will be a little bit higher, the cushion mums will be a little bit lower, the carnations will be at another little height. So we just go at your discretion. As you can see, I kind of put 2 on one side, 2 on the other side, then kind of fill it in with the mums to get that look that I want. So now that I kind of got the front kind of all filled out, now I'm just going to go down the sides of everything. So as you can see, I'm kind of tucking everything on the side of the cross. So now we wanted to have a full, now when you put stuff on the sides, I suggest that you use more of the cheaper flowers because you're not going to see anything. So in this arrangement, I think I have one bundle of button mums, one bundle of the lavender cushion, or I think they were cushion mums, and one bunch of the kind of purplish plum cushion mums, and then two bunches of the purple or plum carnation, and one bunch of the lavender roses. And so now I'm just going to go through it and just fill in all my little blank areas on the side and make sure it is all nice and covered. My mechanics are all nice and covered. Right now I'm almost done, just checking and making sure everything is all together, just pushing in all that stuff in, making it look nice and beautiful so that you will see we'll have a beautiful arrangement. And just tuck, tuck, tuck. And look how nice and round and beautiful everything looks. Now, when you put it on the stand, you will be able to get a better visual of if you need to fill in any spaces. But as you can see, it's all nice and tucked in and ready for use. This is the finished product. As you can see, I added a little few sprigs of greenery because I wanted to add a little bit more color to it. But this is the finishing product. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back next time for more DIYs, a little bit about me, or just plain old vlogs. Bye!